Hello and welcome to today's flight. Today is July 12, 2021, and I'm going to show you here in a minute a video that I took with a wing-mounted 4K GoPro camera of a place called Copalis Crossing. And it caught my attention because I have an interest in the geological history of our country. The photo you're looking at here would be an otherwise unassuming bunch of dead trees if you didn't know more. What you're looking at here is called the Copalis Ghost Forest. And it's located less than a mile upriver from a bridge crossing on the Copalis River along Highway 109 that runs right along the coast of Washington State. It's a forest of dead trees, and it's known by locals as the Ghost Forest, and it helped solve the mystery of a Japanese tsunami that took place in 1700. And it's also given scientists insight about tsunamis right here on the Washington coast. On the evening of January 26th, 1700, a magnitude 9 earthquake rocked the Washington coast off of Grays Harbor. That's the area that we're going to be overflying here. And it caused the land to instantly drop in elevation at this location by as much as 6 feet. The quake occurred along what's called the Cascadia Fault, which stretches north from Vancouver Island all the way down to Northern California. And so when this earthquake occurred, it was 622 miles of land that got moved an average of 70 feet, which is a phenomenal amount of energy. And so when that happened, the 1700 earthquake along this Cascadia Fault, it caused a tsunami that not only devastated the local areas here, but it also killed over 15,000 people all the way across the Pacific Ocean in Japan. This computer animation estimates the effect of the tsunami as it emanated from the coast of what is now the United States and Canada across the Pacific Ocean at a speed of about 500 miles per hour. And if you look in the upper left, it shows the elapsed time, the amount of time that it took to reach Japan. I find this a very fascinating animation. And keep in mind that this is an event that could occur at any time. It's actually due between now and the next 300 years. Hopefully it won't happen anytime soon. And there you can see it reaching the coast of Japan, even reaching as far as northeastern Australia. Nothing was known about the tsunami's origins until a guy named Brian Atwater, a scientist, published a paper called the Orphan Tsunami of 1700. And the paper helped describe and prove what occurred in late January of 1700 in Japan was directly related to the ghost forest in Copalis, making it the epicenter and the focus of the disaster. Before the discovery of the origins of that tsunami in Japan in 1700, they thought that the tsunami causing earthquake was not possible here in this area, but so the scientist Brian Atwater's work proved that not only were earthquakes of this size and scale possible, but they also occur every 300 to 600 years. So this one was just over 300 years ago, so this could certainly occur in the near future. Anyway, the scars that were left behind in the earthquake, they're not just below the forest. The stumps and the trees in these fields are from ancient forests buried when the ground sunk below sea level after the major earthquake. And the stumps were originally referred to as the ghost forest by early settlers, and that name stuck. I have displayed here the for-flight map showing our flight that we took yesterday from Hoquiam Airport right here in the center of the screen on the short flight to the northwest, here just north of Copalis Beach. And you can see right here is the river, the Copalis River. And the forest here, which isn't a really large forest, is located right about there. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looked like from the air.